Niche number 15 is the gaming niche, and I know what you're thinking. In order to have a huge gaming channel on YouTube, don't I need to be this big personality and get behind a camera and film all these different gaming videos? And that is simply not the case. And I have a couple channels that I'm going to show you to prove it right now. The first of which is called Top 10 Gaming, and they just produce top 10 videos about different video games, and these videos get a lot of views. For example, they just do videos like the top 10 weirdest virtual reality games that you need to play. And if we sort their videos by the most popular right here, as you can see, some of their most popular videos are like the scariest Xbox creepypastas or the 10 Easter eggs you missed in Sonic, and basically just list videos about all these different video games. And this channel, if we take a look at their stats right here, they're getting 2.3 million views a month, and oftentimes the people in these videos don't even show their face. Now here's another channel called Top 5 Gaming, the same types of videos, and as you can see, they mostly just do videos about Fortnite like this: 15 Fortnite Marvel Easter eggs you missed, 15 Fortnite Season 4 clickbait exposed, and these videos, each one gets over 1 million views, which is absolutely crazy. And this channel is getting 58 million views a month, more than a lot of gaming channels on YouTube get, and this channel doesn't even show their face. It's literally just someone narrating on top of the video showing other people's Fortnite clips, and what's really cool about this is that people can actually submit clips to this channel, so oftentimes they're just getting content to use for free, and they never even have to show their face.